going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, the 3 Kids books is time to re-educate. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we keep moving up. And why, guys? Why do we keep moving up? Yes, we have open interest here, but we had the whale, Grayscale, add $4 billion, guys, so over a 2-day span. So we see the institutional investors are jumping in right now. We're going to see where they jump out later, guys. Make sure you're paying attention to the Grayscale app. Now, we have $400 billion investment manager Neuberger Berman expands his fund to Bitcoin and Ethereum exposure. So again, guys, institutional investors are coming in. Now we have Coinbase revenue was $2.3 billion. And then also we have Ethereum trading volume surpassed Bitcoin for the first time. Now guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicator. We have volume. We have Tether, and we have USDC. Now, we have Coinbase removes the language that USDC is backed by the US dollar. Now, also, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual Fed. Remember the Fed app. Make sure you're looking at it on a daily basis. They almost hit $1 trillion, guys, yesterday. And then also, they opened up to 2 new repos for the money market. So, guys, we know the Fed is manipulating the actual stock market and cryptos. More and more talk is about tapering. We know it's going to happen in the next few months. It's not even a question. We know it's going to happen, but we know this is time because of the digital yuan is going to become live. We know in February for a fact of next year. All this is timing, guys. We know the New World Order goes off of dates. Now, do not forget, speaking of dates, we have back. We know we're going to have a pullback next week, guys. Enjoy the ride. I'm not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But we have to make sure we're looking at all the moving pieces. Grayscale, the Fed, when back gets here. We know the Fed is basically letting us know they're definitely going to be pulling back, but we know it hits us all of a sudden. So you're definitely going to have 1 foot in, 1 foot out, especially in the stock market. Like I stated, guys, I definitely see a 20% correction in stocks. 80% correction in cryptos. Guys, we have over 11,000 here. We know only 1% is going to rise for that utility run. Now we have Helium price rise as Andreessen, my guy, supports the funding round for the 5G blockchain company. And guys, we know how important 5G is to the 4th industrial revolution. And also we have Cardano pumping, and I can't say enough about Cardano. When we know it's attached to Singularity Net, guys, make sure you, especially if you have my book, You know how important that is. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have stellar blockchain remittance corridor to power Thailand and Europe payments. Now, guys, that's over 600 million people in Europe and Thailand. And again, if you look at Ripple's XRP, and we know the same technology as far as with Stellar is concerned, we know how important these protocols are. They're going to be moving billions and trillions of dollars at minimal cost. Now we have Venmo enables users to automatically buy crypto with cash back rewards. And again, guys, it's all about adoption, vision. We know how the New World Order works. Now we have VanEck files for Bitcoin strategy ETF while they wait for that real Bitcoin ETF to get approved. Now we see Bitcoin ETFs being approved around the world, but the United States, they're putting a hold on it on purpose. One of the main reasons, guys, they want to keep this regulation back. We know they want China to rise first. That's the whole point. But we know we need regulation in order to bring in those trillions of dollars from pension funds. And once we get regulation, we know sky is definitely the limit. Now we have Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary again becomes a FTX spokesperson and will be paid in crypto and equity for promoting the exchange. And again, guys, we see the same puppets. The reason why they use these same puppets, actors and actresses, because they know the agenda. Now we have PNC Bank is planning a crypto offering with Coinbase. And we're seeing all the big US banks are all in on crypto. And lastly, guys, we have fake vax certificates, renew calls for blockchain-based solutions in Australia. So guys, remember what I told you. The C word is allowing technology to move in at a faster pace. Where everybody is distracted, technology is moving right along. We know what the fourth industrial revolution looks like. Robots, algorithms, drones, we know it's definitely coming. And while the masses sleep, the New World Order build. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. Now, guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 Kids book. Plus, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that own stocks is C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.